What's going on, guys? We are back here with the craziest hair today because we have a crazy thing going on at TEMU. You're not going to believe it. You're going to think it's a scam, but they are offering you free, I'm talking about zero, absolutely free merchandise. A lot of people said this was a scam, like I said a minute ago, but no, it is absolutely legit, and we're going to prove it right now because we're recording on the phone as well. But all you have to do to take advantage of a lot of absolutely free merchandise is open up your TEMU app. Now we have the TEMU app open right here. Check this out. So the TEMU is open right here in front of us, and we do see right here the search bar. Now what you have to do, you have to put the code into the TEMU search bar. So my code is dxa9632, dxa9632. Let's hit search. Look at that. Free gifts came up. And look at this, all free. You can see it right here. It's saying, am I ready? All these gifts are completely free from TEMU. There is so many cool things here. If I scroll right here, you can totally see how much stuff. It is not a scam. Type it into the search bar, dxa9632, and you'll look right here. There's a drone right here. I know you guys have to try this out. There's a Bluetooth speaker. There is a camera here. There's a tablet. There's a translator. Look at all this cool stuff. I mean, all this stuff is completely free. $0 for new users. Download the link through my bio right here and try it for absolutely free. $0 for new users. Scrolling through this, there's like all kinds of cool stuff. There's like battery banks. There are drones again. There are fishing stuff. All this stuff is free on TEMU if you use my code dxa9632 down in the description. You'll see that. Drop it into the search bar in TEMU. You got to use it there. You don't use it on checkout. You don't use it anywhere else. All free on TEMU. Make sure that you go ahead and check out my code. It's dxa9632. It'll be in the description, and you can get all your free stuff here just like I did. Go ahead and check out TEMU.com. Go ahead and check out the TEMU app. Get your free stuff today. Tell them Supercar Street Racing sent you. Have a great day. We got to get out of here, though.